Fluid Surveys is an online and mobile survey service that helps you collect valuable data you need to make smarter business decisions. On Fluid Surveys, you can easily create surveys, forms, polls, and questionnaires for free. Fluid Surveys allows your business to create a survey based on your choice or need. You can get responses on your surveys by sending them via web links, emails, or even posting them through your social media accounts. By using Fluid Surveys, your business is able to get detailed insights of your business from the customer's point of view. Analytics are also available to check the progress of your survey. To create a survey, click on the blue Create a Survey button and enter the name of the survey. In the Edit section, located in the first pane, drag the type of basic question you want answered onto the center pane. Enter the question in the second pane and repeat this process until all the questions you need answered are filled. Once you're finished, go back to the first pane to style, preview, and send your survey. To get started with Fluid Surveys, please visit www.fluidsurveys.com.